in a relationship is a complex and personal decision that involves a combination of emotions, values, and experiences. While there's no foolproof formula to make a man commit to a woman, certain factors can influence his decision. Here are 5 key things a man must feel that may encourage him to commit, explored in 900 words. 1. Emotional connection. The foundation of a strong and committed relationship is often built on a deep emotional connection. A man needs to feel a profound sense of emotional intimacy with his partner. This involves more than just physical attraction, it's about understanding and being understood on a profound level. Emotional connection fosters a sense of security and comfort that can make a man more inclined to commit. When a man feels emotionally connected, he experiences a bond that goes beyond superficial aspects of the relationship. Sharing fears, dreams, and vulnerabilities with each other creates a sense of unity. This emotional depth is a powerful motivator for commitment, as it fulfills the human need for companionship and support. 2. Mutual respect and support. Respect is a fundamental element in any healthy relationship. A man must feel that his partner respects him for who he is, appreciates his strengths, and accepts his flaws. Similarly, he should extend the same respect to his partner. When both individuals in a relationship feel valued and acknowledged, it creates a positive environment conducive to commitment. Support is another crucial aspect. A man needs to know that his partner is his ally, someone who will be there through thick and thin. Feeling supported in his endeavors and goals fosters a sense of partnership. Mutual respect and support contribute to a sense of stability, making commitment more appealing as it promises a lifelong companion who understands and stands by him. 3. Shared values and goals. A man is more likely to commit to a woman if they share common values and life goals. While differences can add excitement to a relationship, a foundation of shared values provides a sense of alignment and compatibility. Whether it's religious beliefs, family aspirations, or lifestyle choices, having common ground creates a roadmap for the future. Conversations about the future, including long-term plans and expectations, allow a man to envision a life together. When he sees that his partner's dreams and aspirations align with his own, it can serve as a catalyst for commitment. A shared vision for the future not only makes the commitment more meaningful but also provides a clear direction for the relationship to thrive. 4. Physical and intimate connection. Physical intimacy is an essential component of a romantic relationship. While it's not the sole basis for commitment, a satisfying physical connection can strengthen emotional bonds. A man must feel desired and appreciated in the physical realm, and this involves more than just the act of sex. Physical affection, touch, and intimacy contribute to a sense of closeness and connection. Investing time and effort into maintaining a healthy physical relationship demonstrates commitment to the overall well-being of the partnership. It's not about perfection but rather about a genuine desire to connect on a physical level. When a man feels that his partner values and prioritizes this aspect of the relationship, it can deepen his commitment. 5. Autonomy and independence. While commitment implies a merging of lives, it's crucial for a man to maintain a sense of autonomy and independence. Feeling suffocated or losing one's individuality can be deterrents to commitment. A healthy relationship allows both partners the space to pursue personal interests, maintain friendships, and grow as individuals. When a man feels that commitment doesn't equate to sacrificing his individuality, he's more likely to embrace it willingly. Encouraging each other's personal growth and respecting individual boundaries fosters a relationship built on trust and understanding. This balance between togetherness and independence makes commitment a choice rather than an obligation. In conclusion, commitment is a multifaceted decision influenced by a myriad of emotions and factors. While these 5 aspects provide a framework for understanding what a man might need to feel, it's essential to recognize that each person and relationship is unique. Open communication, trust, and mutual understanding are key elements that can further facilitate the path to commitment. Ultimately, it's the combination of these factors that creates a solid foundation for a lasting and committed relationship.